morning routines and preferences. Coffee or tea? Coffee or tea? This simple question can tell you a lot about someone. Today, 3 questions native English speakers ask every day. Stay until the end to hear a real conversation using all of them. Let's start. Question 1. Do you prefer coffee or tea in the morning? Answer 1. I'm definitely a coffee person. I can't function without my morning coffee. I usually drink it black, no sugar. It's the first thing I do when I wake up. Answer 2. I prefer tea actually. Coffee makes me too jittery. I like green tea or chamomile. Notice the vocabulary. I'm a coffee person means you really like coffee. I can't function means you can't work properly. Jittery means nervous or shaky from too much caffeine. Question 2. How do you like your eggs? Answer 1. I like mine scrambled, soft and creamy. Not too dry. I usually add a little cheese and some herbs. Answer 2. I prefer sunny side up. I love dipping my toast into the runny yolk. Important vocabulary. Scrambled means mixed and cooked. Sunny side up means fried on one side only. Runny yolk means the yellow part is still liquid. On the side means served separately. Question 3. What's your go-to comfort food? Answer 1. My go-to comfort food is homemade pizza. There's something about melted cheese and fresh ingredients that just makes everything better. Answer 2. Nothing beats a hot bowl of soup, especially chicken noodle soup. It reminds me of home and makes me feel better instantly. Key phrases. Go-to means your favorite or preferred choice. From scratch means made completely by hand. Nothing beats means nothing is better than. Under the weather means feeling sick. Full conversation. Now, let's hear these 3 questions in a natural conversation between 2 coworkers.
Hey Mike, good morning. Do you prefer coffee or tea in the morning?
Oh, I'm definitely a coffee person. I can't function without it. What about you?
Same here. Actually, I'm heading to the cafe downstairs. Want me to grab you something?
That would be great. Can you get me a latte? Oh, and they have breakfast there too. How do you like your eggs?
I like mine scrambled, soft and creamy. But honestly, I'm not that hungry right now.
Fair enough. I'll just have the latte then. You know what though? We should get lunch later. What's your go-to comfort food when you're stressed?
Definitely pizza. Nothing beats a good slice of pizza when I'm having a rough day. What about you?
For me, it's soup. Chicken noodle soup reminds me of home. I always crave it when I'm feeling under the weather or stressed.
That's so nice. Okay, I'll be back with your latte in 10 minutes.
Perfect, thanks Lisa.
Grammar used. Let's analyze the grammar. First, we used preference structures. Do you prefer A or B is a question. I prefer or I like are the answers. We also used what about you to return the question. Second, present simple for habits. I drink coffee. This is a daily habit. I can't function. This describes a general truth. We use present simple for routines and facts. Third, adjectives and intensifiers. Soft and creamy. Two adjectives together. Too jittery. Too makes it negative. So nice. So emphasizes the adjective. These make your English more natural. Today you learned 3 everyday questions native speakers ask all the time. These aren't textbook questions. This is real English. Practice asking these questions to your friends, coworkers, or even yourself. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. See you in the next video where we'll learn 3 more real-life questions.